So I have no key for my ignition. Everything's on. Then this funky lights came on. I disconnected my battery and the truck's still running. Hey YouTube, we had a problem. 2009 Ford Flex. Key was out, dashboard was going crazy. I can't regenerate the problem again, but on YouTube, you know, you Google it to see who had that kind of problem. A lot of people have had that problem. So I've started on the driver's side, disconnecting door panels, disconnecting wire harnesses and everything, and then ended up being water on the floor. And with the water on the floor, I found this relay right here. It doesn't plug into anything. They say it goes to the four-wheel drive, but I don't know. So I probed it and seen that the blue wire with the purple stripe is the only wire in this harness that has current. When I cut that wire out, because I'm quite sure it just molded all the wires together, and you know how that is, then I was able to put the key in. Regular dashboard starts right up now. Car wasn't running for 4 days. Hope this helps you. You don't even have to subscribe. Just know that we're out here trying to figure out what's wrong with these cars. Have a good one. All right, let's try this again. Cool. Crazy nitrous car. Thanks, Tim.